Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add FAQ for your site in Site123. So let's just click here on add new page and let's go to popular, and when you're going to scroll down you're going to see it here. So when I have it, I'll just scroll down here and you can see it here that it's like pretty cool and pretty easy to use, but how to edit it. So you want to click here on edit, and what's your name? No one. Save and close. This is the way. Yes, this is the way. Save and close. Now when I'm going to see how it looks like, this is the way. Yes, this is the way. I recommend watching you Mandalorian TV show. And yeah, thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.